yummy Chinese meal for one. I can't use chopsticks. Let me WhatsApp Marcus. Maybe he can help me. Dear Marcus, please, can you make a video to show me how to use chopsticks? Thank you.
Oh, it's Dr. Joe. Oh, she wants to know how to use chopsticks. Hi, Dr. Joe. I will be happy to make a video for you. Send. First, pick up the first chopstick and place it between where your index finger and your thumb connect. Second, grip the second chopstick with your index finger and your thumb. Third, practice opening and closing the chopsticks. Finally, start picking up the food.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Marcus. Here we go. I can do it! Yay! I think I will keep practicing though.
先求人格，後求卓越，加得嚟。